talk about let's say introduction to our HTML, showing you different tags that we are going to be using. Alright, so this is our heading tag 1 down to heading tag 6. Okay, these are the heading tag we have. Okay, now we'll be talking about the paragraph tag. The paragraph tag, you simply use the word the P tag. Remember, I told you that any tag we'll be writing, instead of us saying P, okay, we might just write the tag and press enter. This is for paragraph. Alright, for paragraph, let's say I am a paragraph. Oh, sorry. Okay, paragraph. Right, you can see it here. One thing you should know about your HTML. Okay, well, if even if you write the wrong code, it might still work. Okay, but make sure you do the best practice. By following the rules. Okay, by following the rules and writing in proper syntax. Okay, let's say something. If I pull this paragraph tag at this part, it will still work. Alright, but that doesn't mean that it's correct. Alright, everything should be inside the body. Everything you want to display on this page, it should be inside the body. Okay, this paragraph tag. Okay, paragraph tag helps us to create a paragraph. Alright, so apart from the paragraph, there's another tag. Friends, I want you to try this at home. Try them out. Okay, we have the span. Okay, the span is an inline. Okay, it's an inline element. Okay, we have the span and we have the div. Okay, we have the span and we have the div. Okay, the div is a block element. It's served like as a container. Let's say I am a div tag. Okay, div tag. So this span, a span tag. Right, you can see now the div forces the span to move to the next part. Okay, let's have another span. You can see a line. When we have another div, the div will move to the next line. It won't stay same line with them. Okay, you can see now div move to the next line. It's a block element, while span is an inline element. Apart from span, we have other inline element. Apart from div, we have other block elements. Alright, so these are div tag, span, div. Most time we're going to be using them as container. Alright, so let's start writing more codes. Let's say h1 welcome to my website. I got my website. Okay, you can see it's showing on the screen. So you can see paragraph tag. Okay, this is just a demo website. Okay, that's my description. Okay, so that's my description. So another thing I want to show you is creating your link. Okay, creating your link. In creating your link, you should use the anchor tag. There is a reference. Let's say I want to go to Facebook. HTTP. Okay, HTTP fb.com, which is facebook.com. Okay, I would say go to Facebook. It's blue. Okay, let's click on it. Look at this part, it's taking us to Facebook. We don't want to open Facebook. Okay, we are back to this page. We are learning. So this is how you can create your link. I would like you to visit let's say WORDPRESS school, and you can learn more about links there. Okay, your iPad link using the icon tag. Okay, so apart from that, we want to do green displays to make your code look nice. Alright, so we want to do another thing. So what we call list. Okay, list, and all that. We have the strong, the emphasize. Okay, in your Microsoft Word, we have they call it italics. Here you can say I, height tab. Let's say I am slanting, italic, they are always slanting, bending rather. You can see now I am slanting. Okay, but for now, since I'm working with HTML5, just use em, which means emphasize. It's not the same thing. So we have Control B is to bold, which is B for bold. Let's say I'm bold. Okay, you can see now, but for this case, since HTML5, just work with strong look better. Okay, I'm bold. All right, so however, if I want to list some product, let's say website where you can buy and sell. Okay, where you can buy and sell. Okay, let's say for me to buy and sell, we'll call ordered list and unordered list. Okay, OL, it means what? Ordered list. YUL means what? Unordered list. Okay, so when it's on ordered list, it's going to show you, I think, numbers, no, like period, like a disk for cycle format. Okay, let's say you use the list, which is LI. Let's say beans. Okay, which is our first list. Another list. Okay, this is cycle format, which is the disk. Let's say rice. Okay, LI. Oh, LI. Let's say yogurt. Okay, LI. Apple. So these are a list of items you can buy. So thank you guys for watching. As we continue in this series, don't forget to subscribe, refer to